Okay, the first thing we need to do is get our marinade for our chicken put together. I'm going to go through real quick on what I have. In this container, I have 1/4 of a teaspoon of rosemary, 1/4 of a teaspoon of dried oregano, 1/2 teaspoon of dried thyme, 1/4 of a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, salt and pepper to taste. I'll leave it up to you on how much salt and pepper you want to use. 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, and 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Okay, with that said, let's go ahead and dump in all of our ingredients. Give that a good little mix. I have 3 boneless, skinless chicken thighs that I will be using. You can go ahead and use chicken breasts if you want to. Okay, I placed my chicken thighs in a Ziploc baggie. I'm going to go ahead and pour our marinade in. Okay, now I'm just going to go throw this in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. Okay, while our chicken is marinating, let's go ahead and make our tzatziki sauce. I'm using an English cucumber. You can use a regular cucumber. If you do use a regular cucumber, you're probably going to want to seed it. I'm not going to bother with this English cucumber because the seeds are pretty small. You can either take the peel off or leave it on. I'm leaving it on. I already chopped up the other half pretty finely. Finished dicing up the cucumber. I'm going to put that aside. Now we're going to need 2 tablespoons of dill. I'm using fresh dill. I'm sure you can use the dried stuff if you want to. I have a heaping cup of plain Greek yogurt. I'm going to go ahead and add our cucumber. Now I'm going to add our dill. Go ahead and give this a quick little mix before I add the rest of our ingredients. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and salt and pepper to taste. Go ahead and mix that all up. We are done with our tzatziki sauce. Now I'm going to go cover this up, pop it in the fridge, and go grab our chicken. Okay, I have the chicken thighs in the air fryer basket. These are pretty thin, but I'm just going to go ahead and set it on 380 degrees for 20 minutes. I'm going to check it halfway through, if not a little before, and see how we're doing. We are 10 minutes in. I'm going to go ahead and flip these over and put them back in. Just going to take a quick temp real quick, just to see where we are at. $140. We're 15 minutes in. I have a feeling these are probably done. I'm going to take a temp real quick. We are done. Perfect, almost. 166. 167. Okay, these are done. Took a total of 15 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and get these sliced up. Okay, our chicken has been resting for about 5 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and slice this up. That is good. That has a good flavor. Okay, I have a pita here. I'm just going to fold it over. Going to go ahead and add some of our chicken. Some of our tzatziki sauce. I'm going to add some feta cheese. and some Kalamata olives. And there is our Greek chicken pita. Okay, I can tell you right now this is going to be a mess when I take a bite because my poor pita broke in half. Oh well. Make for a good blooper, I guess. Very nice. That chicken has a wonderful flavor. I am loving this. Okay, before I go, I have a question for you. I've been curious about this for a while. What brand of air fryer do you use? I know some of you don't even have one, but you faithfully watch me anyway, and I appreciate that so much. I know what a few of you use, but most of you I do not know. So if you want to tell me, you can leave that down in the comments below. Okay, I am going to get out of here. I appreciate you so much for watching, and I will see you soon.